In this tutorial I will show you how I created these creative, attractive, eye-catchy, Japanese-style smoky chicken food poster in Adobe Photoshop. Create new document of 2000 by 2500 pixels. From adjustment layer select solid color. Copy this hex code for background color. Then select rectangle tool. Left click to insert its width and height. From properties add fill color. Copy this hex code. Keep stroke to none. Place the rectangle shape accordingly as shown. Then from file place chicken PNG image. To download it, image link is provided in description. Hold Alt key to equally resize the image. Place it accordingly. Double-click on layer to enable layer style. Enable drop shadow. Copy this hex code for drop shadow color. Copy this overall settings. Then place smoke image. Place it accordingly as shown. Decrease the opacity around 45%. Then select Type tool. Left click to insert text. From properties copy font style and other text settings. Type new smoky chicken text here. Place it accordingly. Right-click on text layer and convert to Smart Object. Again select Type tool. Left-click to insert text. From properties copy font style and other text settings as shown. Type best deal text here. Place it accordingly. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy of text. Select the text. Type Japanese Styles 2025 text here. Select the text. Go to Properties. Font style will remain same. Change text size to 12. Place the text accordingly as shown. From file place this Japanese words. Place it accordingly beside the text. Place price tag image. Place it accordingly. Then place scan code image. Press Ctrl+R to enable ruler. Left click and drag to add guide. Place the scan code. Then select Type tool. Left click to insert text. From properties copy font style and text settings as shown. Type Get the promo today text here. Using guide place the text accordingly. Then select Rectangle tool. Left-click to insert its width and height. Add radius as well. Go to Properties. Keep Fill Color to orange. Copy this hex code and stroke to none. Place the shape behind the text as shown. Select the text. From Properties, make changes in text leading as shown. Now select Rectangle tool. Left-click to insert its width and height. Add radius as well. From Properties, keep Fill to orange color and stroke to none. Place the shape accordingly. Then select Ellipse tool. Left-click to insert its width and height. From Properties, keep Fill to white color. Place the shape accordingly as shown. Now select Type tool. Left-click to insert. From Properties, copy the font style and text settings. Type Food Delivery text here. Place it inside orange shape. Hold Alt key and drag to make a copy of text. Add number text. From Properties, change font style. Place the text inside ellipse shape. Change text color to black. Place it accordingly. Select Type tool. Left-click and drag to make selection. From Properties, copy font style and text properties as shown. Paste the text. Add one more text. Go to Properties. Font will remain same. Change text size and tracking. Type number here. Using guide, place the text accordingly. Delete guidelines. Press Ctrl+0 to fit to canvas. Following the same process, create Food Delivery 2 option. Group the layers accordingly as shown. Lastly, place logo image. Place it accordingly. Select top layer. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E key to create merged layer. Name the layer as Final. This is the final result. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel for more related stuff like these. Don't forget to enable bell icon to get notified when I upload new tutorials. Also follow me on my social media handles to stay connected. Thank you.